I was not supposed to be a doctor. I was not interested, but I became interested because my father expired in our car accident. Now, with the help of Nepalmed, we are planning for trauma care center in our hospital so that we can give basic trauma services to the people.
We started since 2006 here as a 15-bedded hospital. We were at that time we were a very small hospital here with only 15 beds. But gradually the developments goes on, and we started upgrading the hospitals. And right now we are running almost 100+ bed here.
Since 2009, the chief of Nepalmed, Dr. Arne, used to ask us what we need so that we can improve the hospital, and till now they have donated a lot.
Nepalmed helped in a lot in the Kirtipur hospital. Number one, we developed the endoscopy department. Nepalmed donate the endoscopy and colonoscopy scopes. So beside that, spirometry especially, and the Nepalmed helped in the not only to donate in the spirometry, they train me and other staff also too. So that is very making easy to manage the COPD cases and others. Now we are focusing on the trauma center also. So recently we upgrade our ambulance service.
And nowadays there are more and more vehicles and more road traffic accidents, like and the fall injuries and many cases, many things.
Previously we have a ambulance like a jeep. There is no any equipments, simple bed only and oxygen cylinder only, and no EMTs. We are getting a lot of the patients in broad date.
As well as Nepalmed helped us to bring this ambulance service 102 in collaboration with the National Ambulance Service 102. The good thing is there is EMT, that emergency medical technician inside the ambulance. I think no other ambulance has these services, so that not only in the hospital but pre-hospital care is also very good. I think if we develop trauma center here, then many people will get benefited because the cost will not be that much. So I think the people will get a good quality service in reasonable price, so that everyone will get benefited.
What Nepalmed has done to the Kirtipur hospital is not only they are helping the Kirtipur hospital, but overall they are helping the whole community here, as they are supporting us with so many services to develop. That's in the broader sense, they are helping whole community.